video, I'm pretty much just gonna drive out. I'm just gonna keep heading west until who fucking knows. And then I'm just gonna put on my GPS to get back home. But yeah, what I'm gonna talk about in this video is 5 things that I like about my bike. So we'll start off with number 1. The suspension is pretty awesome. I love the suspension. In comparison to my last Harley, which was a Dyna, it had the twin shocks in the back, and I never upgraded them. So I guess you can't really say that it was good or not, because that's like the first upgrade that most people with a Dyna do, and I never did that. But yeah, this bike I probably won't even need to upgrade the suspension. It's just good how it is. Good amount of traffic today. But yeah, more in the suspension. It's like a monoshock setup, so I'm sure it has more travel. I did see a video of one guy upgrading his monoshock, but I really don't see the need. This thing handles awesome the way it is. That's the whole reason why I'm going to this area. This part of Texas, from what I've experienced, has the most twisties, and this bike can handle it like way better than my last one, so might as well. I saw one guy's video on Revzilla where he was saying that he was actually scraping the pegs. I don't know, maybe I'm just not a good rider, but I haven't scraped the pegs. Go on a semi longer ride today. I don't want to just burn through the list. It's amazing how much torque this thing has. That brings me to point number 2. I love the amount of torque this has. In any gear, you give it throttle and you're shooting up a good 10 miles an hour. Even if you're in too high of a gear, it doesn't matter. In my opinion, this is a very good bike to ride if you don't have a whole lot of experience. Maybe not for the first bike, but definitely for your second bike. This thing is easy to ride, man. Oh, this must be Bourne. Medina Lake is left. Maybe I should go to Medina Lake. Yeah, f it, we'll go to Medina Lake.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I talked about number 2. How there's just torque in any gear. Number 3, the brakes. I love these brakes. Coming from a single disc Dyna, oh man, this is like night and day. And I've already had to use them stop on a dime once when a guy pulled out in front of me. So that's Lake Medina. Pretty nice. Maybe when my parents come out in December, we'll rent some kayaks. I think I could do that. Okay, well, we're on this slow road. I'll talk about the fourth thing. What was the fourth thing, if I could remember it? Oh, right, the low seat height. I love the fact I'm a pretty short guy. Well, I'm average size, 5'9", and the seat height is just awesome. Where like my old Dyna, I feel like more on top of it. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. I felt like more on top of it. This one I feel like I'm in it. That could be because of the seat too. I changed the seat. Well, the fifth thing was something different, but here's something else that I like about the bike. I like this little 4-inch riser and the Moto X bars that it has. I really, really like that. Now, some higher bars would be nicer, but I really like this. Oh, there's a good shot right there. Oh, back on the suspension thing, I only talked about the rear monoshock. The front forks are also different than most Harleys. They're a little bit beefier, if I'm correct, and they're also inverted. So, yeah, they're just better. So, fifth thing that I really like about this bike, I'm gonna say it really quick before my battery runs out in the GoPro, is the fact that the rims are bronze. I really like the way they look. And they're also mag wheels. Like on my Dyna, they were spoked, which, I don't know, from which I was told it would require maintenance. I never had to do anything, but whatever. These are mag wheels, so I'll never have to worry about them. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you liked it, comment, subscribe, hit the like. Thanks, guys.